Hey everyone, let's build a basic red car that's scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x12 by 2/3 vehicle chassis. We're going to flip this over. Take a pair of 2x2 modified plates with double bearing. We're going to place these right in these two areas. Let's flip the assembly back around. Take a 1x4 plate on both ends of the plate. A set of 1x1 plates. And on top of those, another set of 1x1 plates. Place those right on top. Sometimes they can be a bit stubborn, and if they don't line up, well, we can just put this on a flat surface, just kind of mush everything down. We're going to make two of these. I want to stick these in these 1x2 openings on both sides underneath our vehicle chassis, and a pair of 1x2 plates stack those on top of one another. I'm going to place these right here on the left hand side inside this 2x4 opening. This is going to be the interior. Now we're going to take a 2x4 by 2/3 plate with mud guard. I'm going to place a 1x4 plate along one side. I want to make two of these. We'll place these right above our bearing plates to where the 1x4 plate is facing inward. Do the same thing on the right hand side. Make sure all that's securely fastened. In this area, a 1x4 brick, and back here we're going to place three 1x2 bricks. We're going to place a 1x2 steering wheel console right here and a 2x2x2 seat. Place this right next to our 1x2 plates. Make sure that's securely fastened. Next, take a left-hand and right-handed 1x3x1 doors. I'm going to place these right here where the hinge is right next to our steering wheel console. And let's lock all that together with four 1x2x2 corner plates. This will secure all these joints together. I'll place two right behind the seat to lock these 1x2 bricks together. For our front bumper and grille, take a 1x2 by 1x4 downwards angular plate. I want to face the front of the plate off with a 1x4 plate, and on top of that, a 1x2 radiator grille and a set of transparent clear round 1x1 flat tiles for headlights. And then we're going to take this assembly and place it in this 1x2 opening. Then to finish off the hood, four 1x4 bricks with bow. Cover all that up. We don't want to see those studs. Set those right in there. For the rear, take another 1x2 by 1x4 downwards angular plate. Right in the center, a 1x2 flat tile, and a set of transparent clear round 1x1 flat tiles. For rear lights, I'll place this right in this 1x2 opening. Then we're going to secure all this with a pair of 1x2x2 corner plates. And to finish up the upper rear, a 2x4 by 2/3 plate with bow and a 1x4 flat tile to fill in that area. Let's finish up the cab with a set of 2x4 by 2 transparent clear windscreens. Place these right in these areas. And a 4x4 by 2/3 plate or hood. We're going to fill this right in here with a 1x2 plate. We're going to place this right on top. And for wheels, a small tire and a small rim. We're going to place the rim inside the tire. Let's make four of them because, well, this vehicle needs 4 tires. And we're going to start populating the bearing plates with rims and tires to complete the basic red car.